In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer game files from Steam to Epic Games the easy way, so you do not have to download the entire game all over again. This is a huge time saver if you already have the game installed on Steam and want to use Epic Games Launcher instead. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you need to locate the Steam installation folder for the game you want to transfer. On most Windows PCs, Steam games are stored inside C:\program files x86 /Steam /Steam apps /common. Inside that common folder, you should see a folder for your game. That folder contains most of the game files that Steam installed, and those are the files we're going to reuse. Next, open the Epic Games Launcher and start installing the same game. You do not need to let it finish downloading. As soon as the download begins, pause it immediately. This step is important because Epic needs to create the correct installation folder first before you replace anything. After that, completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Do not just minimize it. Make sure it is fully exited, including from the system tray if it is still running in the background. This helps prevent file conflicts while you move the game data. Now go back to your Steam game folder and copy or move the contents into the Epic Games installation folder that Epic just created. In many cases, Epic creates an empty folder for the game, and you may need to delete that empty folder first so you can place the Steam files in the correct location. The goal is to make the folder structure match what Epic expects. Once the files are in place, reopen the Epic Games Launcher and go back to the paused download. Now, resume the installation. Instead of downloading the whole game from scratch, Epic will scan the existing files, detect that most of the game is already there, and verify them. After the verification process finishes, Epic will only download whatever small files are missing or different. This is the key part of the process because it lets you transfer a game from Steam to Epic Games without wasting time or bandwidth. It is especially useful for large games where the download would normally take a very long time. If Epic does not recognize the files right away, double check that the game folder is in the correct location and that the folder name matches what Epic created. Small folder mistakes are usually the reason this method fails, so take a moment to confirm everything is in the right place. And that is it. You now know how to transfer game files from Steam to Epic Games using a simple copy, pause, and verify method. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more gaming tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.